Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from the Milanote app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Milanote app, and here it usually opens up in the quick notes menu. We have to tap on settings, and then in the settings menu we find the log out button in the middle. If we tap on this, then the app is going to log out immediately without any questions. Usually in other apps, the app first sends a message that are you sure that you want to log out from the application, and then you have to answer it to finish logging out. But it's different here, as it seems. You just tap on it and then log out. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.